In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the advent of AI coaches marks a significant milestone. Imagine having a digital avatar that works tirelessly around the clock, answering queries, providing insights, and delivering personalized assistance just like you would. AI Coaches brings this vision to reality, offering a versatile platform for creating and customizing digital avatars tailored to various needs. AI Coaches is a sophisticated platform that allows users to create digital avatars, also known as AI coaches, which can mimic human behavior, knowledge, and interaction styles. These avatars can be embedded into websites to handle a range of tasks, from customer service to specialized coaching in fields like fitness, finance, and online marketing. AI Coaches offers a variety of pre-designed avatars, such as yoga coaches, bodybuilding coaches, financial advisors, and more. Users can also create avatars from scratch, tailoring them to specific needs and preferences. The platform allows users to program the responses of their digital avatars. Whether you need your avatar to answer frequently asked questions, provide detailed advice, or guide users through complex processes, AI Coaches makes it easy to customize these interactions. AI Coaches can be trained using various data sources, including videos, PDFs, and website content. This ensures that the avatars are well-informed and capable of providing accurate and relevant information to users. The avatars can capture lead information, such as names and email addresses, sell products directly through chat, and even collect testimonials. This makes them powerful tools for enhancing customer engagement and driving conversions. AI Coaches is revolutionizing the way businesses and individuals interact with their audiences. By providing versatile, customizable, and intelligent digital avatars, the platform enhances customer engagement, streamlines operations, and drives growth. Whether you're looking to improve customer service, provide specialized coaching, or automate routine tasks, AI Coaches offers a powerful solution tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching.